This is our dog trying to wipe off fleece stuff in the weirdest dog ever. He's head surfing.
He's like, oh God.
Oh, poor Jacob.
Wait for it. Wait for it.
And he sighs heavily.
No matter what I do, I can't get rid of the smell.
Oh, he's done. Oh, nope.
And he's like, oh my God.